In this video, we're going to learn how to write a strong objective and a professional summary for your Python resume. This is one of the first things a hiring manager sees. So it's your chance to make a great first impression in just a few lines.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you.
Let's start by understanding the difference. An objective tells the employer what kind of job you are looking for. A professional summary tells them what you can do based on your skills, experience, and interests. If you're new to tech or making a career change, go with an objective. If you already have some experience or personal projects to highlight, a summary is the better choice. Now, how do you write them? Let's begin with the objective. Keep it short, just one or two sentences. Clearly state what role you're aiming for and what you hope to contribute or learn. Here's an example. Motivated learner seeking a junior Python developer role to apply coding skills and grow in web development and automation. This gives the employer a clear idea of your goals and shows that you're focused. Now let's look at the professional summary. This should also be short, about 2 to 3 sentences. Highlight your top skills, tools you've used, and any relevant projects. Mention your strengths and the kind of work you enjoy doing. Here's an example. Python developer with hands-on experience in building automation scripts, web apps using Flask, and data tools using Pandas. Passionate about solving problems and writing clean, reusable code. Comfortable with Git, Linux, and APIs. Notice how this shows real experience and enthusiasm, all without using too many words. A few quick tips to wrap up. Avoid generic buzzwords like hardworking or team player unless you can back them up with real examples. Focus on the skills and tools that match the job you're applying for. And if you can, customize your summary for each job. It can really make a difference. Final thoughts. Whether you write an objective or a summary, the purpose is the same: to show what you want, what you can do, and what value you bring in just a few clear sentences. This short section can open the door to your next interview. So take the time to get it right.